parang ngayon, napakadali mong marinig na I am bothered by that.
Mm.
I have a problem with that. I think I
eh.
detect microaggression in that. I don't think that may dumali yung pagsabi na na-offend ako dyan. Nanggaling naman din ako sa TV. So for TV comedy, doon pa alam namin, we are so ethno-diverse. You do a joke about a certain group
Yeah.
here, a certain magpatawa ka ng gay joke dito, pag sa kabilang kanto, hindi na nakakatawa yan. So sa TV, we're really reminded Filipinos are so diverse. Think, review your set of codes sa ano ang pwedeng pagtawanan at hindi pwedeng pagtawanan. I'm so fortunate na yung mga director ko from TV at saka director ko from live, laging nag-share ng wisdom. Sinwerte ko na wala naman ako malalaking trauma about having offended.
People.
Yeah.
Once, si Vilma.
Really?
Vilma got
Kasi
offended?
nauwi ako ni Ralph by mistake. She was so shocked. Wala yung mister niya. Eh, yung mister niya, may date night with V. Ako yung
Sobrang
dinala.
galing mo talaga
Oh my
mag-impersonate
gosh!
dyan.
Tapos one morning, paglingon niya, magkikisa siya, darling, good mo. May 5 o'clock shadow? May 5 o'clock shadow sa TV. Doon lang. No, but again, I would rather err on the side of, dinefend ko ang free speech. Ang free speech nung comedian na gawin yung gusto niyang i-express.